Good day, everyone. Let us discuss the first topic in second quarter of Math 7. It is all about measurement. For our unlocking content vocabulary, measurement is the quantification of attributes of an object or event, which can be used to compare with other objects or events. In other words, measurement is a process of determining how large or small a physical quantity is, as compared to a basic reference quantity of the same kind. Ang kasukatan ay isang mahalagang aspeto ng estadistika. Ang pagsusukat ay ginagamit upang malaman ang iba't ibang halaga ng mga katangian ng mga bagay na nasa sa ilalim sa pananaliksik. Ang mga halagang ito ang nagiging datos na sinusuri upang makagawa ng mga konklusyon. When we study Math Grade 4 at to Grade 6, we always remember the abbreviation of metric conversion. We call this King Henry died usually drinking chocolate milk. So for K stands for kilo, H stands for hecto, capital D stands for deca, and U for the units such as meter for length, liter, liquid volume, gram, mass or weight. We have D, deci, we have C, centi, and M for milli. As you can see in the table, in 1 kilo, we have 1,000 units. In 1 hecto, we have 100 units. In 1 deca, we have 10 units. In 10 deci, we have 1 unit. In 100 centi, we have 1 unit. In 1,000 milli, we have 1 unit. We have to divide numbers by 10 if you are getting bigger, same as moving decimal point one space to the left. And multiply number by 10 if you are getting smaller, same as moving decimal point one space to the right. Example, let us use the measurement coordinate table tricks. We have kilo, hecto, deca, and units. We have meter, gram, and liter. We have deci, centi, and milli. We are going to use this table to show the answers of the given conversion of units. Example, we have 8 kilometer is equal to 8,000 meter. As you can see, we will start from kilo. So we have 8 per kilo, 0 per hecto, deca per 0, and 0 per units, which is stands per meter. That's why we get 8,000 meters. In number 2, we have 5 meters. So it stands for converting centimeter. So let us start with meter. So 5. Start with 5, 0 for density, and centi for 0. That's why the answer is 500 centimeter. Number 3, we have 6 centiliters, 2 liters, and how to get 0.06 using the coordinate table tricks. So we start with 6 in our centi. So 6 deci 0, unit 0. Then we have 0 point from that given in units. That's why the answer is 0.06. In number 4, we have 3 milligrams to 0.003 gram. So you start with milli. So we have 3, 0, 0 in centi and deci, then point for our units. So the answer is 0.003 gram. Then let us try this in our notebook or scratch paper. In number 1, we are looking for conversion of per kilo liters to liter. Number 2, 8 grams to centigram. Number 3, 3 centimeters to meters. 4, 5 millimeters to decimeters. 5, 3 decagrams to centigrams. So I'll give you 1 minute or 60 seconds to make this activity. Remember, use the measurement coordinate table tricks. In our measurement coordinate table tricks, we have kilo, hecto, deca, and the following units, meter, gram, liter. And for having, we have deci, centi, and milli. Okay, we are done with our time for 1 minute. So let us check if your answers are correct. So using the measurement coordinate table tricks, we have kilo, hecto, deca units such as meter, gram, liter, and we have deci, centi, and milli. Number 1, we have for kiloliters. It is equivalent to 4,000 liters. So from kilo, we will going to write 4,0,0,0,2 units, which is liter. That's why the answer is 4,000. Your answer is correct. Very good. Number 2, we have 8 grams. It is equivalent to 800 centigrams. So from units, we have 8, then up to centi, which is deci, 0, centi is 0. That's why the answer is 800. Next, number 3, we have 3 centimeters. The answer is 0.03 meters. So we are going to write 0 from meter, deci 0, then centi we have 3. Okay. So we have 0.03. Next, number 4, we have 5 millimeters. Convert to decimeters. So we got 0.05. So milli, we have 5, centi 0, then deci 0. Then we have decimal point for deci. So that's why the answer is 0.05. And number 5, we have 3 decagrams to 3,000 centigrams. So we start from deca, we are going to write 3, then units 0, deci 0, and centi 0. That's why the answer is 3,000 centigrams. So everybody got the correct answers. Very good. I'm hoping tomorrow you're going to do this another conversion of units using the measurement coordinate table tricks. Thank you for listening. Always remember the essence of mathematics is its freedom by George Cantor. Good day.